Okay. Good evening, everyone. Namaste.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste,
So,
ma'am.
Namaste. So, we have come to
Namaste,
one
ma'am.
more wonderful event, Abhyasa program, right? So, we have many friends joined here. So, it is a great pleasure welcoming you all for this wonderful gathering. Today is again a special occasion. We have come together to celebrate learning, to celebrate culture, and to celebrate the beautiful energy of all our children. So we have Ankuram batch and Young CEO Accelerator batch. We are the leaders of our own life. We are trying to learn being a leader from the young age. So Ankuram and Young CEO Accelerator are here. So with this thing, welcome all kids. Welcome. Welcome each other by doing a big round of claps. Yeah. Good. Thank you. We have our special guest today with us. We are truly honored to have our respected chief guest, Pavana Shrikant, Mrs. Pavana Shrikant, here with us today. And your presence had just great value to us, ma'am, and inspiration also. So we are grateful you are here because you have shared your time with us. So definitely we will create beautiful memories for the next 2 hours, ma'am. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Pleasure is all mine, and special are all the kids. I am no special. Kids are all special, and occasion is special. So thank you for having me over.
Thank you, ma'am. So our young participants have put in sincere efforts to present their learning, what they have learned till now, their chanting, their stories, and everything through their voices. So we are here to create an atmosphere of peace, positivity, and devotion. So let us all encourage them with our support and appreciation. So, on behalf of the organizing team, I extend once more a heartful welcome to our chief guest and our guest, parents, teachers, and our little cute kids. So, thank you once again, and let's start our program.
Namaste,
Veena
Bhavana
ma'am.
ji. Welcome to our Samskara program. Myself, Veena Ganesh, and she is Naglakshmi, our co-host.
Thank you, Veenaji. Thank you so much for the warm welcome.
Okay.
I'm really very privileged to be on your show today. Thank you.
Okay. We all know that whatever work we do, we start with a beautiful prayer. We start with a beautiful affirmation. So for that, I would like to call Samhita to do the prayer song. Samhita? Yes.
Guru Vama, Guru Vishnu, Guru Maheshwaraka, Guru Sakshat Parabrahman, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Thank you, Samhita. Thank you so much. That was very dedicated one, listening to your prayer. We all went into a conscious trance state. Thank you so much, Samhita. I hand over to Veena ma'am.
Namaste, and thank you very much, Naglakshmi. I'm myself. I'm very happy to introduce our chief guest today. Thank you very much for you, ma'am, for coming. She is Bhavana ji. Bhavana ji is the founder of the Cradle Academy and also the Mitra Foundation, a center for special education and counseling. Her vision is to unite diverse individuals. She believes in nurturing each person's potential, empowering them to reach their fullest capabilities and do their best. and she has experience of working with children of 16 years, expert in early childhood education, skilled facilitator, and teacher's trainer in child-centric methods. She is mother of two lovely children, Samarth and Shreya. Yes, we are very happy to be the part of our program. Thank you very much, ma'am, for making us feel happy, and also let us. We all wish to you to enjoy till the end and bless our kids. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. As I said, privilege is all mine. I'm really literally loving all these little gods and goddesses on the show. I would not talk. I would want them to talk, to exhibit the skills. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Yes, Naglakshmi?
Ma'am, can we go ahead with the Dhyana Shloka?
Yes.
Yes.
Atharva Menon. Yes. Vikshit. I will call Atharva Menon. He has not joined right now. Yes, over to you, Vikshit. You can start shloka.
Ma'am?
Start with the shloka.
Okay, ma'am. देहिनो अस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिर्धीरस्थिरनमुष्यति मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कान्तेया शीतोष्ण सुखदुःखदः आगमापायिनो नित्या तां तितिक्षस्व Bharata.
Yes, you can go ahead with the summary and also the role play. Yes.
Speak louder. Even in problems, they keep faith and patience. They choose what is right, not what is easy. Their silence carries strength, and their words carry kindness. This inner steadiness slowly turns ordinary life into spiritual practice.
Yes. Thank you, Vikshit. He has summarized the second Adhyaya meaning. Today is his birthday. He is going to celebrate the birthday party. That is why he is leaving early. So we are all wishing you, Vikshit, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. And you can start your role play also.
Thank you.
Yes.
I am Sanjaya. I witnessed the battlefield. Krishna's words echo loudly. Souls are eternal. Bodies change like clothes. Arjuna regains strength. Dharma stands firm. Calm wisdom rises over fear. Truth shines in chaos. Divine guidance prevails.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much, Vikshit. Vikshit is curious and he is Veera as Abhimanyu. He is ready to learn everything, whatever he can. He is ready to question a question and ready to take the answer immediately, whatever comes to his mind. So thank you very much for your participation. You can go ahead, Vikshit. Yes. Now I want to call Bhim Shetty, Srihan Bhim Shetty. Yes. Just yes.
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः भक्तियोगः अर्जुन उवाच एवं सततयुक्ता ये भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तं तेषां के योगवित्तमः श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यावेशमनो ये मां नित्ययुक्ता उपासते श्रद्धया परयोपेताः ते मे युक्ततमा मताः.
Yes, you can start.
I am Arjuna. My heart is confused, Krishna. I see my teachers and family. My bow slips from my hand. How can I fight them? Please guide me. Teach me true duty. I, I surrender to your wisdom. I will calm my mind. I will act without selfish desire, and I am ready to follow Dharma.
Thank you very much, Srihan Bhim Shetty. As he is, they are put up from Singapore. That is why he has to leave early. So I have to manage the kids. I don't want to miss anybody in this program. So now over to Naglakshmi. And Srihan Bhim Shetty is curious to learn everything. He is, I can call, making him as Sahadeva Jignasu. So he is so much curious to know everything. He is new to our batch, but that's why he has chanted 12th Adhyaya Shloka. But now the kids have learned second Adhyaya. They are going to perform for the second Adhyaya, Bhavanam ji. Yes, now over to Naglakshmi ma'am. Let them go to the Ankuram batch kids. They are so little. Then we will once again come to our batch, that is second Adhyaya kids. Over to you, Naglakshmi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wishing the
Yes,
child who sang first a very happy birthday from our end too. Just wish the child.
yes. Happy
Thank
birthday
you
to
very
you.
much, ma'am.
Okay. So now with the Ankuram batch, so they are from 3.5 years till 5 years. So they are very small, but their minds are very fast in grasping things. So they learn the shlokas very fast in a very musical way. So now it's time to introduce our Ankuram batch. I now invite Pratika.
Namaste.
1 second, ma'am. Yes.
చెప్పు.
Yes, Pratika.
పెద్దగా. పైన.
Yes, Pratika.
I am Eva Kevati. My mom is
Yeah. కొంచెం పెద్దగా.
వల్లి కళ్యాణ సుందర దేవసేన కాంత కార్తికేయ నమస్తుతే ఆదిత్యాయ చ సోమాయ మంగళాయ బుధాయ చ శని గురు శుక్ల శనిభ్యశ్చ రాహవే కేతవే నమః. Thank you.
Wonderful, Pratika. So Pratika is here with us like Lord Muruga. So she told the 2 lines about Lord Muruga, why she liked it, with a beautiful shloka of Kartikeya or Muruga. Thank you, Pratika. We all know a proverb called "Do not judge by a book by its cover." Do not judge a book by its cover. She is one such an example. She was very small, but she took time to grasp and to express it out. We generally think that parents, she's very small, she's shy, but no, she's not shy. She's just grasping the information. So thank you once again, Pratika, for your cute chanting. Thank you. So now I call
Thank you.
upon Samhita.
Namaste. My
1
name
second,
is
Samhita.
Samhita.
Yes, Samhita, proceed.
Namaste. My name is Samhita. And favorite god is Hanuman. And Hanuman is very star. And very Lord Raman and Sita and Art. Yama 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 Nama Tarakam Yama Krishna Vasudev Bhakti Bhakti Ramatita. Yama, 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 Yamanatarakam, Yamakesta Vasudev, Vaktivanti Tarakam.
Wonderful, wonderful, Samhita.
Started solving. I started directing whether Yam Duto Kupasunto, but Kayam Sari Pabu.
Very good, Samhita. So, example of impossible. Anything is possible by the kids. So, such a young age, she came here with us in the form of Hanuman. Such a cute Hanuman we have. Thank you so much, Samhita. Thank
And
you.
we can see Rama on her.
Right. So now I call upon Cherika and Charvik. So, yes, be louder, Cherika or Charvik. Who is going to do first?
First, yeah.
Yes,
Here, I am Shiva. ಜೋರಾಗಿ
Charvik, be louder.
Shiva, love everyone. Om Namah Shivaya.
ನಂದಿಕೇಶ
Nandikesha Mahabhaga Shivardhanana Parayana Gauri Shankara Sevartam Anugnam Datumallasi
ತ್ವಮೇವ ಮಾತಾಚ ಜೋರಾಗಿ
Twameva Twameva Bandhushta Saka Twameva Twameva Vidya Dravinam Twameva Twameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Charvik. Now we have Cherika. Yes, Cherika, be louder.
ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳು
Sarvantare I been Buddha for healthy life.
Yes.
Patamam Seraputtita Vityam Brahmacharini Kitiyam Chandagantetin Pusmandetin Tatukakam Panchamam Skandamatetin Tattam Kachayinitita Sattamam Kalarati Mahagauriti Tattamam Navamam Siddhirati Navadugapakitita Uttani Etani Namani Vamana Eva Mapanaha
ವನಮಾಲಿ
Valamali Gati Sarangim Tanki Takki Tanandaki Simanarayano Vishnu Vasudevor Birattato.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Thank you everyone.
Thank you. Wonderful, Cherika and Charvik. They are twins, but they are different. You know, Charvik and Cherika, they have came here with Shiva and Dhanvantri as a form. Thank you so much. They are very curious and they are very regular to the class, very disciplined with all the activities. Thank you so much, Cherika and Charvik.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹೇಳು
Thank you.
So cute of you both.
I now call Yogeshri. One second, Yogeshri. I'll put you on spotlight.
Namaste.
Yes, yes, Yogeshri.
I came Prahalad.
Oh,
Prahalad.
So kind,
So kind.
respect,
Respect everyone.
always chants.
Always
Gittiga.
chants. Om
Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Bhavati Vasudevaya Namaha.
శ్లోకం చెప్పు రామరా గట్టిగా చెప్పు
Rama 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 Tarakam Vasudeva Tidayakam Janaki Manohara Shravanayakam Sankaradisenina Jnana Kirtanam Nasakam
ఆంజనేయ
Anjaneya
జీవన
రాజమంత్ర రూపకం
శ్రీరామ
Ram Ram Rame 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 Tatulya
Thank you, Yogeshri. Thank you. Today, Yogeshri has come here with Prahalada, but actually, she is like little Radha. Every class, she dresses herself like Radha and gives us a pleasant surprise in the class. So, thank you so much, Yogeshri. She's very curious to learn each and every song. Thank you,
Thank
Yogeshri. You're cute in Prahalada also. Okay, next I would like to invite Vagdevi and Vaidevi. Yes,
Hello.
yes, Vagdevi, Vaidehi, Namaste. Can you sing the shloka?
Yes.
Yes, come on.
Apotuna Maya Gaya Choyo Kaya Papa Idam Gombe Acha Java Ibu Jamata Koyona 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 Maisha Pama Hasaduma
Sri Gurave
Koi Nama
Wonderful. Vagdehi and Vaidehi, very wonderful. Both were two naughty kids. It is very impossible to handle a kid, but mother, she practiced a lot. She made them to sit in front of the class, and now they are reciting the shlokas. Thank you so much, Vagdehi and Vaidehi. Yes. Mokshit, I guess everything is done from Ankuram batch. From these are our little kids performed today. I now hand over to Veena.
Thank you, Naglakshmi. I can see handling one kid at a time is so difficult. You have handled two kids, the twins, two sets. It is very, very nice. Good job, Naglakshmi. And also, kids, what to say? They are so cute. They are only gods. Nothing to comment or something. No, not to expect more than this. They are more wonderful. Yes, we are really happy.
The credits doesn't go to me. The credits goes to the parents. Actually, they decorated them with more patience, and kids also accepted it. So actually, goes to the parents.
Agree. I know. Both without their support, parent support, patience, giving their time, This is what we are all going to do. Without that, samskara cannot run. Because of that patience from the parents and support, we are very grateful to parent support. Thank you very much.
Oh,
Okay,
Bhavana
now
ma'am started to say
Yeah,
something. Yes, ma'am.
sorry. I think the credit goes to both the parents and the mentors. Hats off to you, Naglakshmi ma'am. You have done such a great job. And the children were like, they were like, they're like butter, each one of them very cute. And hats off to the parents. They've got them dressed after school. Some of them were yawning. They're so little. They're just toddlers. And you've got them dressed so well for an online event like this. Really appreciate all your enthusiasm and efforts here. Congratulations to all the parents and the mentors also. Great job done by Samskara Vriksham.
thank you very much, Bhavanaji. Now, our kids, that is my kids, they have learned second adhyaya. In second adhyaya, Krishna is explaining how sthita prajna, how one has to have control on his mind. What are the qualities of sthita prajna and all they have learned. And for all my kids, they are I can connect them to one characters of Mahabharata. So they are such a nice kids. Now let us, without delay, let us start from Atharva. Yes, Atharva.
Good evening, everyone. Namaskaram. Today, I am Dronacharya. Some teachings of Dronacharya are: knowledge is stronger than weapons. Students must perform their duty. Fear weakens discipline. A warrior needs steady focus. Krishna speaks internal truth. Detachments brings clarity. Practice self-control daily. Respect your responsibilities. Learn before you fight. Wisdom guides to victory. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavatam Narayaneन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अश्वैताम् अमृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्बा त्वाम् अनुसन्नधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्द्याय पत्रनेत्रा येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णा प्रज्वलितो ज्ञानमय प्रदीपा. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Atharva. Atharva and Shrihan Bhim Shetty joined just 2 weeks back. So they are from with us from past 3 years. So they have, though he is new to my batch, he is connected to me from before also. So I have given him to chant the Dhyana Shloka. Thank you very much, Atharva. Now, Namaste Vidya. Yes. Now, our Samskara kids of that is second Adhyaya, they are going to summarize the second Adhyaya meaning. Kriya, Kushi, Srihan Verma, Pradyumna, one by one, and they are going to narrate the meaning of the second Adhyaya. Over to Kriya.
I am Kriya Vajrala. I am presenting the summary of second Adhyaya, Sankhya Yoga. Without the control of mind, there is no peace. Without peace, true happiness is impossible. A restless mind keeps jumping between worries and desires. When senses run after pleasure, they drag the mind away. Thank you.
I am Kushi. Namaste. I am Kushi. I'll be summarizing the second Adhyaya. Just like strong wind moves a boat off course, uncontrolled senses disturb wisdom. Therefore, a wise person gently withdraws senses from objects. Such a person stays steady in joy and sorrow. Their thinking becomes calm and mature.
They do their duties without craving for results. They're not shaken by praise or by blame. Their inner happiness does not depend on outer situations. This balanced state is called Sthitaprajna.
Such people live peacefully. Their decisions come from clarity, not emotion. Krishna says this steadiness is the mark of true spiritual success. Such a person listens more and reacts less.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much for summarizing the second Adhyaya. Now, the same kids are going through the role play. They are going to perform the characters of Mahabharata. Let me call, start from Samiksha as Krishna. Yes, Samiksha. Samiksha, you're in mute, Samiksha.
Krishna, a Sithaprajna is calm even in happiness and sorrow. He does not run after pleasure or fear pain. His mind stays steady like a lamp in a windless. He controls his mind. He controls his sense.
ಹಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay. Let her restart.
Krishna, Sithaprajna is calm even in happiness and sorrow. He does not run after pleasure or fear pain. His mind stays steady like a lamp in a windless space. He controls his sense, not letting them control him. Anger does not shake his judgment. Desire does not rule his action. He performs his duty without selfish attachment. Praise and blame do not disturb him. Peace naturally lives in his heart. Such a person truly was wise and free. Thank you.
Yes.
A stable mind is precious. Krishna teaches self-discipline. Greed destroys families. Truth protects the soul. Choose right over comfort. Control senses daily. Peace starts from within. Listen to the divine counsel. Wisdom is the real power. Serve Dharma always.
Om Brahmadevaya Namaha. Om Brahmadevaya Namaha. I am Ashatama, the son of Dronacharya, cursed to walk this earth till the end of time. I see the rise and fall of kings, yet my pain remains eternal. I am neither alive nor dead. I am the witness of time itself. Let peace guide me. I will think before acting. Calmness is truth strength. Power wisdom is very dangerous. I master my emotions. Dhanyavada Guru.
Kushi?
Ma'am? Karna. I was born to struggle. Still, duty matters the most. Krishna says action is uncontrollable. Pride must not blind me. I fight with honor. Attachment brings sorrow. Courage comes from inner balance. I accept my path. May my heart stay steady. I walk forward bravely.
Panvi, 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 are you there? Panvi, Kriya, over to you. Kriya as Draupadi.
I am Draupadi. I faced great humiliation. Still, I trust Krishna. Patience is powerful. Pain teaches strength. Soul is untouched. Faith keeps me steady. Dharma protects women. I stand brave. I walk with courage. Justice will rise.
Panvi, are you there? Please raise your hand. Yes, over to Pradyumna.
I am Shakuni. I use clever tricks, but Krishna warns of desire. Greed clouds thinking. I see my mistakes. Calm minds see clearly. Schemes bring sorrow. I should have chosen truth. Wisdom beats manipulation. Inner peace is victory. I learned too late.
Yes, yes, thank you very much. All of you are dressed up nicely. I'm very happy to see you all dressing so nicely. This is once again Bhavanaji with the parent support. Their time, whatever they are doing is tremendous. I'm very happy today to
No,
see
they have
you all.
certainly come back from school, and after the school that they have finished, they've got rest, and with such enthusiasm, they're participating. Really, even the children need to be uh, you know congratulated here. Their interest, and it shows how serious are they about the Samskara Vikram program. How diligently they have practiced all their wordings and dialogues, and they're here with such enthusiasm. Great work, all by all children. They're like, whatever age you all are, you're doing really good. Great. Congratulations again.
Thank you very much, Bhavnaji. All the parents are busy, okay, and kids are also busy. In that, for the online program, they are ready to sit and make role play, dialogues, practice everything, material, whatever they want. They are gathering. They are, and one is busy with this birthday, one is busy with some other function. Everything is there, but still they have to attend. They don't want to miss. In car also, they are ready to chant. See, Abhyasa program also, he is traveling, he is completing his work, whatever he has to. They keep on requesting me. I don't want to miss the program. Anyway, where I am, I want to join. That's what. So we are also encouraging them to, though we miss the order also, we don't mind. Let them join.
That
Yes,
accommodation you have done, and you've done
yes, yes,
well.
yes.
Yeah, Shakuni was really, you rocked, Shakuni. Literally. Very cute.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, 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 yes.
Right?
I
I'm
think
happy.
Panvi has not joined yet. Yes. Can you see Vidya? Can you message her? She has joined already, but now she is not here. Okay, now let us go for the shloka chanting second adhyaya from the same kids. Yes, over to let us start from Shrihan. Shrihan Vimsheti, he finished. Yes, Samiksha. Yes, Samiksha.
श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः साङ्ख्ययोगः। सञ्जय उवाच तं तत कृपयाविष्ट अश्नुपूरणकुलेक्षणं विषिदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदन। श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टम् अस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन। मम्मी
गमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वताय उपपद्यते शुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यक्त्वा उद्दिष्ट परन्तप। अर्जुन उवाच कथं भीष्मं महं संख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदन इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्ह हरिसूदन।
गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्षमपि लोके हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान् न चैतद्विद्मा कतरन्न गरीयो यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयो यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषाम ते स्थिता प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्रा।
कार्पण्यदोषोपहतस्वभावः पृच्छ्वामि त्वां धर्मसम्मोदचेतः यच्छ्रेयस्यानिश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं साधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम् न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्याद् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमा वसपन्नमृद्धं राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्।
सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्त्वा हृषीकेशं गुडाकेशा परन्तप नियोत्स्य इति गोविन्दं मुक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः। तमुवाच हृषीकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषिदन्तमिदं वचः।
श्रीभगवानुवाच अशोच्य अन्नशोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञवादांश्च भाषसे गतासु न गतासूंश्च नानुशोचन्ति पंडितः। The Supreme Lord said, while you speak words of wisdom, you are mourning for that which is not worthy or grieve the lament neither for the living nor for the dead. नत्वं जातुनासं नत्वं नेमेदनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामि सर्वे वयमतः परम्. Never was there a time when I did not exist, nor you, nor all these kings, nor in the future shall any of us chase to be. Thank you.
Yes, Pradyumna. Oh, you changed your dress. I'm looking for Shakuni.
यं हि न व्यतयन्त्येते पुरुषं पुरुषश्रवः समदुःखसुखं धीरं सोऽमृतत्वाय कल्पते नाशतो विद्यते भावो नाभावो विद्यते सतः उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः सोऽमृतत्वाय कल्पते.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Pradyumna is sincere as Yudhishthira. And he is, it is Ulta. His nature is so calm and cool. But today he is a Shakuni. So he rocked the role also. Yes, thank you very much. All the kids have done so nicely performed and also the shlokas. Now over to you, ma'am, Bhavanaji. Please
Ma'am,
bless the
one
kids with
small,
your. Yes, yes.
we have Niviksha also here, ma'am. She wants to tell the shloka.
Yes.
Sorry, Bhavana, ma'am. Just one more shloka, ma'am.
Yes, you put her on spotlight, Lakshmi.
Ma'am, I just lost the access.
Yes,
Can you
yes,
put
yes.
her?
I will do. I will do. Okay.
Yes.
Can she please raise her hand so that I can
Yes,
put?
you.
Yes.
Yeah, Niviksha, start.
Ekadantam.
Ekadanta Mahamaya Lambodara Gajanana
Vigna.
Vigna Vinashakaram Deva Hirampa Pranamamaham.
Dhanvantri Shloka. Om Namo Bhagavate.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaya Amrutakalasa Sarvamaya Trailokyanataya Sri Mahavishnave Namaha.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Niviksha. Thank you. She's very curious in arts. So she wants to draw all the time and to, show her creative thing in the art. So thank you, Niviksha. Thank you so much. Ma'am, you can
Thank you,
share
Nagesh.
your words,
One
ma'am.
more, Bhavanaji. One more, Panvi has to start her role play. Yes, Panvi, over to you.
I am Gandhari. I cannot see. I am Gandhari. I am the wife of Dhritarashtra. I cannot see, yet I can feel. Krishna teaches acceptance. Loss comes from attachment. I pray for peace. Mothers suffer silently. May my sons learn restraint. Let wisdom replace anger. Forgiveness is strength. I trust divine justice. May Dharma win.
Yes, thank you very much, Panvi. She is also enrolled newly. She is responsible like Vidura, I can say. Anything she is only ready to take. Ma'am, I want to learn. She joined 2 weeks right now, but all the second Adhyaya shlokas she has already listened to my audio only, recording only, and she had shared. So that is the responsibility she is taking to herself. Thank you very much, Panvi. Yes, over to Bhavana ji.
Thank you so much, Naglakshmi ma'am. So yeah, for me, it was a meaningful evening, I would say. Usually I'm engaged with children all the time. But this was very, very meaningful and thoughtful. Firstly, to thank you, Vidya ji, that you selected me as the guest for today. Whoever is working in your team, seriously, they've done a great job. Mentoring children or after the school hours, that too through online mode and with such diligence and such, not one of them stammered, not one of them had any doubt. So I think all the entire Mahabharata I could see here today. Each one of you have a special attribute of one of the, like how Naglakshmi ma'am was saying, somebody is Vidura, somebody is Yudhishthira, and yeah, I could see many of you with great potential. I didn't see any Bhima though. Any Bhimas here? Right. So yeah, why I spoke about Bhima is this we all, I mean, this is our precious childhood. We can get back anything. We can earn whatever we want. If you have all the preachings and blessings of your elder ones, you can definitely do that. But keep your child inside you alive throughout. You know, that's also a lesson that Krishna always teaches. So though Krishna is mindful, thoughtful, so very much strong, and he can, with his little finger, he could lift the Govardhana, and with his little, I mean, with a gentle push of his feet, he could move the entire Kurukshetra, right? But then still he has his Krishna, his child alive inside. Once a Makhan Chor is always a Makhan Chor. He's always into, lively. He's always lively and he's always full of life. So I think that essence we all should keep alive in ourselves. And for the parents also, you all have done a great job mentoring your children, teaching them, getting them by heart this such tongue-twisted verses of Bhagavad Gita. It's not very easy. I am a student of Chinmaya Vidyalaya as a child. So I still remember our dhyana shlokas and the time we used to spend spiritually connecting. That is what has kept probably deep rootedly connected with my spirituality and idea of faith till date. So what we learn as children, that will remain forever. So I would have one thing asked for the parents. I'm sure you do it. I'm very, very sure you all are doing it with all these difficult verses and tongue twisting stotras and making your children spiritually strong. You are giving them all the resilience that is needed. Also, keep the children alive. Let them be naughty. Let them do all the silly things that they can, because once we grow up, we really cannot bring the childhood back, right? So we can keep the child inside us alive, but childhood is a beautiful time where we can make memories, build contacts. So keep and make mistakes. All the parents don't want their children to make a single mistake anywhere. I think we should make mistakes. Our mistakes are they're the stepping stones for our success. So take it easy. There's no race. You all are, otherwise, I am feeling so envious of the entire team here. You get to spend such good time with your children every single day. Happy to be associated with Samskara Vriksham. Vidya ji, you're doing a great job. I'm wishing you a very happy birthday. I saw on the Instagram that it's your birthday today. So wishing you a very happy birthday. And I absolutely loved every single tiny tot in today's show. Their dress up, the way they are narrating. I'm having goosebumps. So it's like wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Bhavana ji. It made my hours day. We are
No,
all
it's my day. It's my day. It's my day is done so well, I should say. Actually, Vidya ji offered you can just talk and appreciate, and you may leave if you want to. I don't know how my 1 hour passed. It's like I'm still waiting. I'm thinking, okay, something more to come, and I'm looking forward to listen to you all again sometime. I'll definitely follow your page and see for more action coming up. So yeah, and children, all the very best. I just want to wish you that you all stay happy, no matter what the pressure. Enjoy your childhood and keep rocking like this all the time.
Thank you very much. As you are telling, they have to enjoy their whatever their childhood and mischiefs they have to do. They are like that. They are ready in class also. They are not at all leaving me for 40 minutes. They will take me to 1 hour. And they will ask if I complete in day before yesterday, I want to complete the class at 6:45. Everybody is asking why you are stopping now. So they give reason. They are not ready. They talk, they discuss so many
Their
things.
curiosity alive, and you have kept that confidence in them alive that they can question you, ask you. As a child therapist, I would say that this is such a important trait for a child, because the children nowadays are so much glued to television, so much glued to the mobiles, and here technology is being used so wisely. So I think I'll go on like this, appreciating you guys. So
Yes,
yeah.
And as you told, Bhima is not here because they have already done everything. So we
Oh,
are moving
okay,
towards
that's
other
very
characters. So that's what is happening. And I have 1 minute, Vidya. I will take 1 minute to talk about my kids, and then I will come to you. Yes, Samiksha is polite. She don't talk much, and whatever I say, she is ready to listen and recite. Okay, well, she needs only 1 day. Whatever I say, she is ready. Like Vidura, I can say. And then Kriya is Shanta, calm, cool always.
Samiksha, I have one thing to tell you. You spoke about Sthita Pragna, but your phone rang. You are actually truly a kind of you. As you exemplified being Sthita Pragna. You know, your phone rang and it was a disturbance. So you were so balanced. You know, you waited for that phone, your mother to cut the phone, and then you restarted it again. Uh, Truly a meaning of being Sthita Pragna. So
Yes.
wonderful. I mean, you're practicing that also. I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Yes, she is calm as Yudhishthira, I can say now. Okay,
Yes,
and then
he is.
Vasishta is Utsahi. He is enthusiastic like Arjuna. Yeah, he is ready to learn everything. Actually, her mother is behind him, and he don't stop for anything. He is ready to ask questions and all. And then Srihan Verma is powerful practitioner. He is Abhyasi like Arjuna only. Okay, he is ready to narrate shloka chanting, practicing, sending shlokas. He don't miss. And Kushi is discipline. She don't talk much. She smiles. She always smiling and sitting in the class. And whenever I ask questions, she is ready to. But she used to listen everything whatever everybody says. Then when I gave her the chance, then she is ready to. And Panvi, as I told you, she is responsible like Vidura. And Vikshit is Veera. He is courageous. And Pradyumna is sincere as Yudhishthira. I just want to name the characters. Thank you very much for all the kids and all the parents also. And over to Vidya because of your belief in us and support. So this is all the things are happening. Yes, over to you, Vidya.
Thank you so much, Veenamma. First of all, I would like to thank Bhavna ji for coming to our session with such a short notice. Without even my introduction, I was like, Bhavna ji, I want you to come this time. And she was so, she literally treated me like when that younger one in me wanted you this time. So I literally jumped onto her, and she was so kind to take it so positively. And you literally graced the occasion today, and the kind of depth of knowledge you have, we all could see that through your words. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
gracing this occasion.
Pleasure is all mine. I've been repeating that. Actually, I'm so motivated also. You know, the little ones have, I am sure they understand what they said also. And
Yes,
I'm
yes.
sure if not now, later sometime in their life, whatever they have learned now, when in the time of need, when they really need somebody to counsel them, need somebody to back them, they know there is always Krishna behind us and backing us up all the time. So I'm sure they have understood every phrase of whatever they translated, and they will, if not now, deep subconsciously, they'll definitely have these,
Exactly.
and it will definitely help them, sculpt their lives. And
True,
you all are the
true.
sculptures. You're sculpturing, doing the great
Thank
job.
you so much. Thank you so much. As you said, all our teachers give a safe space to ask, tell anything that they want, anything that they share. So most of our classes don't stop at 40 minutes, and they go on and on and on. And it's a conversation. So we are not worried about that as a screen time, but this is like a video call basically. So that way, initially I used to have that guilt, but now I'm very happy that they are able to express themselves. Even as parents, we wouldn't have given that time to our kids, but then now we realize that That safe space is so important. And we as parents are also learning with all the parents and all the kids who have joined us. Congratulations. Very, very big round of applause to all the kids. I was thoroughly enjoying the session today, and I could see all the role plays so wonderfully done. Superb, superb. And as Bhavna ma'am and Veena amma said, after school, during the exam time, and you all have learned the shlokas, your role plays, and everything so nicely. I was sure that, even during my childhood days, I never used to miss music class, even during my exam time, because we used to be prepared so much in our about our academics as well. So that is what I'm seeing in all these kids as well. You all are so prepared for everything. Congratulations, and congratulations to all the parents. You have literally left them to explore themselves, and this is time management, I would say. Thank you to all the parents for being there as a continuous support. And thank you to Nagalakshmi and Veena Amma. Without both of you, this beautiful show wouldn't have been possible. I know it's months of hard work that you all have done, and every time you both bring up with new surprises, new forms of role play. I could see a lot of expressions this time, starting from the Draupadi and Pradyumna being what was the role that he played?
Shakuni.
Yeah, Shakuni. Oh my God, such
He
a
played two roles there. He was also Sanjaya and Shakuni.
Yeah.
Ashwathama.
Ashwathama. So nice expressions.
I loved his background. Backdrop was very, very
Exactly.
creatively done, Ashwathama. I don't know your name, so yeah.
Vashishta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice, very nice. And all the little ones, Shiva, and so nicely you all are ready to perform. And I don't feel this is an online program. I literally feel I'm with all of you. I can just feel the hug with that celebration. Congratulations to all of you. I'm very, very, very happy. You all are raising the limits now. But one small but powerful message that I want to give you all. I know Veena Amma and Nagalakshmi have praised you all and told that you are like Yudhishthira, you are like Bhima and all that. But be fluidic. Don't take this as labels. Don't live up to it always. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to get frustrated. It's okay to cry. It's okay to yell. It's okay to show your anger. Be fluidic in what you are. And I want to see that child in you. And but pat yourself for that appreciation. Yeah. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Veena
Actually,
Amma.
in life, they say, if you can earn a lot of things, but the best thing you would always probably earn is a guru. So I think Veena Amma and Nagalakshmi and even Vidyaji, you all have been great gurus, because we can teach anything in a school. We can teach a lot of things that we have learned just from the teachers. But guru is somebody who puts in samskara to children, because it's not easy to imbibe samskara. And the children are very lucky, because they have got, I can say Veena Amma so deeply connected with the children. She's like my children. I'm going to tell about them. And so deeply she's talking about, she's Vidura, he's Yudhishthira. So she really connects with the children. And this kind of a gurus are not easy to find. So you have earned a lot, children. So I know now you'll not understand, some of you. Slowly you will understand, because maybe when life gives you a hard time, then when you will see back what your gurus preached you, right? So I'm sure you all have got gems, all of you, including even to get the shishyas are also not so easy. You've got the right ones. So lucky all of you. I'm actually envious.
Thank you so much, Bhavnaji. Veena Amma is my mom, and Nagalakshmi, Ashwini, and Divya are here. They're my team members, and Amma is now more of a team member and mom to me. Thank you, Amma. Thank you, Nagalakshmi, Divya, Ashwini, for being there.
Thank you very much, Bhavanaji. Yes, Nagalakshmi?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can
Sorry,
share.
I have a power outage
Ah.
here, ma'am, so I'm unable to switch on. It's okay. Amma,
Yes.
you continue. That's fine.
Yes. Thank you very much. Everybody, all the parents, I'm very happy for your support and also the kids. You are all performed so well. And Naglakshmi Ankuram batch kids are so small. They are ready. See Vidya, we can't handle one kid at a time. She has ready to handle the two kids at a time. So this is not an easy job. Yes, that too on online. They are wonderful. See now also they are sitting so nicely, Shiva and Parvati. Yes. Today we had very great day. All the characters and role play, shlokas, all the kids performed so well. I'm very happy. Krishnarpanamastu. All of you unmute and say Krishnarpanamastu.
Krishna.
Krishnarpanamastu.
Thank you very much for all of you. Yes. Okay. See you all in the next coming class only for the third Adhyaya and also for the next Ankuram batch. Yes. All the best for all of you. Thank you, Bhavana ji, once again for joining us and staying till the end and blessing our kids so nicely. It touches my heart too. Thank you very much, Bhavana ji. See you once again in our Abhyasa program. Yes. Ram. See you all next class.
Ram Sarve.
Yes. Oh, see, they are ready to chant Shanti Mantra also. All of you unmute and start Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Yes.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve
Santu
bhavantu
Niramayam.
Sarve
Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhavet. Om Shanti.
Rub your hands.
Thank you very much. Ram, all of you. Ram. Yes. Ram.